Next we discuss the conversion of octal numbers into decimal, binary and hexadecimal. But here you can see that octal conversion into hexadecimal is not done directly. For that we have to first convert octal into binary, which we will study in this step, and then after converting it into binary, then we'll convert it into hexadecimal. So to convert octal into decimal, we apply powers of 8 from back in this way, means 8 raised to power 0, then 8 raised to power 1, then 8 raised to power 2 and so on. In the same way, in order to convert octal into binary, we need to follow this procedure: convert each digit into corresponding binary and then combine, right? Then octal into hexadecimal, first of all convert the number into binary, then make groups of 4 from back just like we did earlier, and then write corresponding hexadecimal with the help of the table that we discussed in the binary representation of hexadecimal numbers. Now let us understand this procedure with the help of example. Suppose we have 1736, this as the question in octal number. Okay. Now it has to be converted into decimal, binary and hexadecimal. Now see the conversion method. Octal to decimal is powers of 8. So see, the number is first copied and then powers of 8 are applied. So 8 raised to power 0, then 8 raised to power 1, then 8 raised to power 2, then 8 raised to power 3. Okay. So after this we solve it. 8 raised to power 3 into 1, then 8 raised to power 2 into 7, then 8 raised to power 1 into 3, 8 raised to power 0 into 6. Then on solving it, we get this answer. Clear? Now to convert this number from octal to binary, the method is convert each digit into corresponding binary and then combine. So here you can see I have copied the actual number and then written 3-digit octal representation of each 3-digit binary representation of each digit of the octal number. So 1 is 001, 7 is 111, 3 is 011 and 6 is 110. So after writing these individual binary representation, I combine the individual binary representations and give the final answer. Then to convert octal into hexadecimal, first it has to be converted into binary, which we all have already done in the last part, and then we will make groups of 4 from back. Now see, I have started to make groups of 4 from back. So this was my first group, this second, this is third, and after this write the corresponding hexadecimal number corresponding to these groups. So the answer is 3DE and combine. This is the answer.